My beloved child, before this message begins, pause for a moment, take a slow breath, because this message is not random. If your heart has been quietly hurting, if you smile in front of people, but feel shattered when you are alone, stay here. God has something gentle to say to your soul today. My beloved child, if you are listening right now, it is not by accident. You did not click on this message by chance. I guided you here because your heart needed to hear this. I see the pain you carry, even the pain you never speak about. I see the nights when your mind would not rest. I see the tears you wiped away quickly so that no one would notice. You have been strong for a long time, stronger than most people realize. But even the strongest hearts grow tired. My child, you have been asking a quiet question, a question you have not spoken out loud. Will my heart ever feel whole again? Will joy ever return to my life? And today, I want you to hear my answer clearly. Yes, I will heal your heart, and I will restore your joy. You may feel broken right now. You may feel like something inside you has been shattered. Maybe someone walked away from you. Maybe trust was broken. Maybe life did not turn out the way you hoped. Or maybe the weight of many small disappointments slowly filled your heart until one day you felt empty. But listen carefully. Broken does not mean forgotten. Pain does not mean abandoned. And weakness does not mean you are alone. Even in your hardest moments, I have been standing beside you. Every tear, every silent cry, every prayer whispered in exhaustion. I have heard them all. Nothing about your pain is invisible to me. There are seasons in life when joy feels far away, when hope feels quiet, and when your heart feels tired of pretending everything is fine. But even in those seasons, I am working, even when you cannot see it, even when you cannot feel it. I and gently rebuilding the places in your heart that were wounded. Sometimes healing does not arrive like lightning. Sometimes it begins quietly, like the first light of morning. Slow, gentle, but certain, inside your spirit. Seeds of peace are already being planted. What once felt like sorrow will slowly become strength. What once felt shattered will slowly become whole again. My child, you do not need to hide your broken pieces from me. You do not need to pretend that you are strong. You can come to me exactly as you are, with confusion, with sadness, with questions, with tired faith, because I do not love you only when you are strong. I love you in every moment. My word says in Psalm 34 verse 18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. That means I come closest to you, not when everything is perfect, but when your heart needs me the most. You might be wondering, how can healing happen when I feel so far gone? But healing does not begin with perfection. Healing begins with surrender. It begins when your heart whispers, God, I do not understand everything, but I trust you. And that small moment of trust opens the door for miracles. Before we continue, if this message is comforting your heart and you would like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee. Your small support helps this mission continue, so more people can receive messages of hope. The link is in the description, and thank you from my heart for helping this light reach others. Now listen carefully, my child. Your story is not over. This chapter of pain is not the final page. Many people in the world believe that broken things stay broken, but with me, restoration is always possible. Remember Job, he lost almost everything. His comfort, his security, his peace, yet in the end, I restored his life with greater blessings than before. The same God who restored Job is the same God speaking to you right now. Healing may not happen all at once. Some days will feel easier. Some days may still feel heavy. But every step forward matters. Every prayer matters, every small moment of hope matters, and sometimes strength does not come from trying harder. Sometimes strength comes from resting in my presence, from breathing, from slowing down, from letting your heart be held. You are not a burden to me. You are my beloved child. I care for you more deeply than you can imagine. Your pain matters to me. Your future matters to me. Your future matters to me. Right now, pause again, take a slow breath. Let your shoulders relax, let your heart soften, and if you can, whisper this simple prayer: God, I need you. Heal the places in my heart that still hurt. Restore the joy I thought was gone. Help me trust your plan, even when I do not understand it. That prayer is not small, it is powerful, because the moment your heart reaches to we, healing begins. Joy has not disappeared from your life. It is waiting to return in a deeper way, a stronger way, a more peaceful way. The kind of joy that is not controlled by circumstances, the kind of joy that remains, even in difficult seasons, and one day you will look back and realize something beautiful. The pain that once felt unbearable quietly became the path that led you closer to me. So do not give up, do not walk away from hope, and do not believe the lie that your life is finished. Because I am still writing your story, and the next chapters will carry healing, purpose, and unexpected peace. My beloved child, listen to this promise. I will heal your heart, and I will restore your joy. Step by step, moment by moment, I am already working, and before this message ends, remember this: you are not forgotten, you are not abandoned, and you are never too broken for my love. If this message touched your heart, take a quiet moment today, speak to God like a friend, and if you feel it in your heart, share this message with someone who may also be hurting. You never know whose heart might need these words today. And if you believe that God is healing your heart, write Amen in the comments. Let it be your small declaration of faith. Because your healing your heart has already begun. God is with you, and brighter days are coming.